Today we're putting in the fuel tank on the 33 hot rod. We're hoping it's going to be a pretty easy job, and after last week putting in the brake lines, we're really like to have something easy to do this week. So first we got to start out by putting in the aluminum that the tank actually sits on. Then we slide the tank into position. Now what we're going to do is we're going to install the hinges for the trunk lid. This is to make sure we got the right clearance and got the tank actually situated in the right position. Once we got the tank all in position, then we're going to drill the holes to mount the tank to the chassis. After it's all mounted, everything's good and solid, then we're going to start putting the hardware in. The tank is all in, and it was as easy as we thought it was going to be. We're not sure what we're going to do next because we're still waiting on the headers to come in so we can put the engine and transmission in. But keep coming back here to YouTube, 33 Hot Rod. Keep checking us out. We'll find out where we're going to go next. Until then, cheers.